Listen to this. Some of people, many people, they have everything. They have riches, they have money, they have power, they have promotion, they have car, they have building, they have everything. But why is it that they feel uncontented? They feel anger, they feel so much hurt, so much pain, anxiety, depression, can't sleep, unhappy. Even they have so much for themselves. And some of them want to end their life, want to end up their life. You know why? You know why? I just say why, because they miss the very important thing in their life. And you know what? What is the important thing in life? According to the Bible, even if you have gained everything and have not received Jesus Christ as your personal Savior, as you don't accept Him as your Lord and Savior, as you don't let Him reign in your heart, you will become unhappy, uncontented with your life. Because Jesus is the only way to fulfill the life that you are looking for. It was Jesus Christ died at the cross because He knows that you miss anything and in Him. That's why Jesus came, because He know that you need God. 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 And without God, without Jesus, He came to the world so that you receive Him to be your master, to lead you, to guide you, to embrace you. Because according to Him, come to me, all of you who are heavily tired, and I will give you rest. So you now receive Jesus Christ now.